Hey guys, welcome back. We're working on this 2016 CRF250L, and just going to show you some accessories we put on it. It's a little windshield, a set of Renthal handlebars. It does have hand guards and that, but you get a piece for one of the bars so they fit the Renthal. It already had this rack on it. We installed these foot pegs. It already had this foot on the kickstand. And the brake lever that came with it didn't fit, so we made this end toe piece fit it. And we also added this LED tail light. So that sort of cleaned up the back. It used to have a big plate, used to be way down there. Yeah, so it all looks pretty good. Just wanted to show you what we're up to. Thanks for watching. See you next time.